Icons are boring, so let's turn them into neon signs. They are still boring, but glowing. Okay, the first thing you need is an icon. You can use your own SVG icons, icons from Font Awesome, or like I do, icons from Google Material. You will find a link in the description to the website. Just select an icon and copy this link and add it to your header in HTML. Then copy this pen element and paste it somewhere, preferably in your HTML code. Add the classes neon and icon to it. So far, so boring. Let's move on to the styling. For this tutorial, I will center the icon so you don't necessarily need this part right here. But what's important is the background color. It should match the glow color but more in a darker way. In my case, I'm using a purple gradient background. Moving on, add a selector for the icon class. Change the color to white. In case you use an SVG path, use fill instead of color. Then add a selector for the neon class. Here we add this long text shadow property. The whole effect works by stacking shadows on top of each other. They can have different colors and blur radiuses. With this, you can try out different icons, colors and backgrounds, knowing you will never add this to an actual website because it sucks. No, but in all seriousness, the shadows seem to be quite performance intense, so keep that in mind.